The Russian sleep experiment is a fictional story that gained popularity on the internet. It tells the tale of a group of Russian scientists who conducted an experiment in the 1940s. The experiment involved keeping 5 prisoners awake for 30 days straight using an experimental gas. The prisoners were monitored to observe the effects of sleep deprivation on the human body and mind. As the experiment progressed, the prisoners started exhibiting disturbing behavior and showing signs of extreme psychological distress. They became paranoid, hallucinated, and displayed violent tendencies towards each other. The scientists observed that the prisoners' physical appearance deteriorated rapidly, with their skin turning pale and their eyes becoming bloodshot. The prisoners also refused to sleep despite their obvious exhaustion, as they feared falling asleep would result in death. One prisoner even tore open his own abdomen, claiming it was to release the gas. The scientists decided to terminate the experiment after 15 days due to the increasingly dangerous and unpredictable behavior of the prisoners. However, when they attempted to remove the prisoners from the chamber, they encountered fierce resistance. The prisoners screamed, begged to be left alone, and fought violently against their captors. One of the scientists accidentally shot another scientist during the chaos. After the experiment was finally halted, the scientists discovered that the prisoners' bodies had undergone significant physical changes. Their internal organs had suffered severe damage, and their blood had turned into a thick, black substance. Despite their injuries, the prisoners continued to show signs of life and refused medical treatment. The scientists believed that the experimental gas had somehow altered their bodies and kept them alive against all odds. Eventually, all 5 prisoners died, but not before uttering haunting final words that hinted at some dark secret they had discovered. The story of the Russian sleep experiment has been widely shared online as a creepy and unsettling tale. However, it is important to note that it is entirely fictional and has no basis in reality.